In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with tasks, time, tags, and views in ClickUp using a simple example list. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace. From your main workspace, navigate to the team space where your list is stored and open the specific list you want to work in. You should now see all of your tasks displayed in the list view. Next, find the task labeled Task 2 in that list and click on it. This will open the Task Details panel, usually on the right side of your screen. Here is where you can manage everything related to this task, from its description to time tracking, tags, and scheduling. Inside the task, look for the time tracking or estimated time area. In this example, it appears as 0h, meaning no time has been set yet. Click on that 0h value. This opens a small time entry or estimate window where you can add how long you expect this task to take or how long you've already spent on it. Taking a moment to set this up helps you plan your workload and report on time later. You'll notice there are several highlighted areas in this task window that you can interact with. These highlights typically represent fields or icons around due dates, start dates, or other task settings. As you move through them, click each highlighted element as shown in your interface to open the related options. For example, one highlighted area may open the date and time picker, another might expand advanced settings, and another could reveal more scheduling options. Continue clicking through the highlights until you reach the option to add tags. Go ahead and click on Add Tags. Tags are a flexible way to categorize tasks by priority, type of work, client, or status. In the tag panel that appears, use the highlighted options to either choose an existing tag or create a new one. Confirm your selection so the tag is attached to the task. Next, interact with the highlighted date and time picker. In this guide, the time being selected is 11:45 p.m. Click on that time to set it as part of the task schedule. Once you've chosen the appropriate time, click Save to apply your changes. Saving ensures your updated schedule, time, and tags are all stored correctly. When you're done adjusting the task, close the task window using the highlighted close icon at the top. Now, back in your list, switch your view to a Gantt chart. Click on Gantt from the View options. This will open a timeline view showing your tasks across a calendar. Use the highlighted controls in the Gantt view to explore or adjust what you see. When you're ready to return to a simple list layout, click on List in the View options, and you'll be back to your original list view with all the changes you just made.